That red one is going crazy.
She is, I know.
Biting everyone at the feet. He got it!
Yay, yay!
Go get the ball! They're having a big
Are they fighting over there?
I'll stick him in. One of them hands him down.
Oh, they found a bone. They found a lamb bone out here. Who brought that outside? Good thing it's been so cold out here. Hi there. Look at you. What do you have? Did you find a bone? Yes, it is. Hold on, don't move it over.
One of them pinned the red one down.
This is Winston. He wears a blue collar. Yes, I see you. And that's Fonzie. He wears a light green collar. And this is Coco. Coco. Oh, yes. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Can we go play? Come on. Here's Winston.
Come on, Coco.
You want a picture taken, don't you? Funny. I think we lost Fonzie. There he is.
Whoa!
Jumping and jumping. Fonzie! Where you going?
All the way.
Hey, Betty boy. Hi. Hi. Jump, jump. Hi, little girl. No, Coco. What's that noise? What's that noise?